We use the domain strategy of Fort Tucson to identify Christians in each of the 12 domains, or spheres of influence within our city, and train them to use their spiritual gifts, talents, and passions to make a positive difference in our city to the glory of God. No one person is smart enough to have all the answers to every problem facing our city. However, by collaboratively working together, each individual brings a piece of the solution to a problem that is within their own area of expertise. The collective IQ of the group will always be greater than the IQ of any single individual within that group. Fort Tucson's domain strategy is designed to tap into that collective genius of our community through 12 domains. Domains are spheres of influence, groups of people who share common expertise or unique knowledge of particular subjects. Within the domains of society, people tend to view a specific problem from their own unique perspective. People in another domain may perceive the same problem from a completely different point of view. By working together with each of the domains, we are able to find a comprehensive solution to problems. When implemented, not only will the solution have the desired outcome, but also most of any unintended consequences will be mitigated because someone in one of the domains likely thought about it beforehand. We use homelessness as an example of how each domain sees the solution to the problem from their unique paradigm. A Christian in the education domain may believe the solution to the problem is more education. A Christian in the healthcare domain may believe the solution will be found in dealing with mental illness. A Christian in the business domain may look at the problem as a lack of motivation or a lack of opportunity. Our particular view is neither right nor wrong, just incomplete. One domain paradigm cannot possibly understand or at times even appreciate the other perspectives. Collectively, however, each domain holds a piece of the puzzle necessary for discovering a real, sustainable solution. Fort Tucson's strategic plan has identified 22 of the most difficult problems within the city. Collectively, the expertise from each domain working collaboratively on a problem will have the highest probability of creating a biblical long-term solution and then implement them. The 12 domains are business, education, healthcare, justice, church, prayer, sports, environment, social services, philanthropy, government, and media arts.